Hi investors, it's Bernice Retzloff with TurnkeyInvest.com. I help investors just like yourself buy and sell great real estate right here in Memphis, Tennessee and the surrounding areas just like this property behind me. Today we are in the 38127 taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom property in a B-class neighborhood. Let's go take a look. Today we are located at 3101 Sunrise Street in Memphis, Tennessee in the 38127. This property is listed for sale at $109,900. This property was built in 1947 and has a square footage of 950 square feet. This is a property that we personally renovated turnkey. It has a brand new roof, new water heater, new HVAC system, freshly painted siding, new black shutters on the exterior here. We also painted the porch as well. Look at this big, beautiful porch here. Perfect for a couple of chairs for your residents to put out, watch the cars go by, and just truly enjoy this space. I love a big covered porch. We do have a 1-car drive for this property. Street parking is available as well. Come around to the side here. Little entryway to the kitchen. You'll see inside the kitchen in just a second. This property is in the school zone of Westside Elementary, which is 4 minutes away, Grandview Heights Middle School, which is 9 minutes away, and Trezevant High School, which is 11 minutes away. We have a security door out front. Let's take a look inside. Thank you so much for tuning into our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. Upon entry, we are greeted with the living area. New LVP flooring, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, new interior paint throughout as well. Updated lighting as well. Energy efficient puck lighting helps keep your residents' utility costs down. New blinds throughout. Go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. Here we have the kitchen. We have a brand new washer box in the kitchen. New cabinets and countertops. In here, brand new Vent-A-Hood. Brand new stainless steel sink. With this divider in the living area, it is perfect to have, I don't know, making this area the living room, this right here, the dining room, or flip-flop, depending on what your resident wants to do with the space. There is the side access door with quick entry to the driveway. Before we take a look at the bedrooms, let's go over some numbers. So let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $109,900 and an actual rent of $950 a month, you're looking at a cap rate of 7.51% and a cash-on-cash return of 5.64%. Your total cash needed to close would be $33,975, resulting in a monthly cash flow of $159.72 a month. Let's go take a look at the rest of the home. Continuing on our tour and exiting the living area, taking a left, we have our first bedroom here. Peep that updated lighting. We have that new LVP in here, new interior paint. Could easily fit a queen bed and a dresser in here. Lots of natural light. This bedroom overlooks the backyard. Let's take a look at the closet for this bedroom. Luxury vinyl plank flooring flows into the bottom, wood shelving up top, and a rod for your residents to hang their clothes. Also, ignore that smoke detector. I need to put a new battery in there. Here we have the shared bathroom for bedrooms 1 and 2. Luxury vinyl plank flooring in the bathroom, new 1-sink vanity. Brand new toilet as well. Beautiful tub and shower, new tile surround. And the shower here. Also put up a nice little towel rod as well. Let's take a look at the linen closet for this bathroom. Deep linen closet, lots of shelving for storage. At the other side of the hall, we have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 could fit a full bed and, well, honestly, a queen bed and a dresser. Let's take a look at the closet for bedroom number 2. D closet here. Luxury vinyl plank flooring in the bottom. A rod and a shelf for your residents to store their clothes and shoes. There's also a separate area off of this bedroom. I love this. Now, personally, I would either put my bed in here and then just have this as like a free space for my bedroom. Of course, I'm not the resident that's moving in. Or this could be used as like a reading nook, maybe a couple chairs. It's just its own little private oasis off of the bedroom. Overlooking the backyard as well. Brand new window in this room here. New lighting. Let's go ahead and head out back and take a look at the backyard. Leaving the front yard and heading around the right side of the home to access the backyard. This property is in proximity of 3 parks, which are 5 minutes or less away from this property: Westview Park, George Albertson Park, and Klein Park. This home is also 10 minutes away from the nearest Kroger, 15 minutes away from downtown, and 15 minutes away from Amazon and Nike, who employs several people in the area. There are also major transportation routes just minutes away from this property, like Thomas Street, which is 3 minutes away, and I-69, which is 4 minutes away. Back pan of the back of the house here. Brand new condenser will be installed once a resident moves in. Check out that beautiful brand new roof. Spacious backyard, enclosed by chain link fence. Thank you so much for joining me on another walkthrough of one of our turnkey properties that we fully renovated. Like I said earlier, brand new water heater, new HVAC system, brand new roof. If you have any further questions about this property, need help building your portfolio, or just have general questions about investing in Memphis and the surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. On our webpage, you will also see other properties that we have listed for sale if this one doesn't quite fit your buy box. Thanks so much again. Bye.